Hello, this is my new app, Carbon Footprint Counter. This is application to the full stack contest. So this app help you to calculate carbon emissions into enterprise. So when you install the app, you can go to this link and you see the calculation for stationary combustion, mobile combustion, transportation, and energy. So in a company, you spend fuel and produce CO2, CH4, N2O gases and impact in the greenhouse emissions, greenhouse effect. So you can calculate your impact, your company footprint. So you appoint facility ID, car, a company car, a bus from the company, or a building, central building, year, type of fuel, natural gas, amount, and when you set fuel and amount, you get the emissions numbers you save, and the emissions are updated here. So for mobile, you can do the calculations of emissions for gasoline, alcohol, and another gases for mobile activity. RB, fuel, gasoline passengers. So it's very easy, no? And updated transportation. You have trips in a year. Trip for business, aviation, air travel. So it's very easy. No? Okay, if you purchase electricity energy, you can appoint here and calculate too. So this is my app. Is an app to help you to calculate your footprints, greenhouse emissions in the world, and take actions to compensate these emissions. Okay, thanks.